Peace and love, y'all. My name's Nyiam. Today I'll be working a target from my online pool. I'm completely blind to this target. It's a 160504 is the target, and see what we get. One 600. It does look kind of like a human form outstretched, but I'm not sure. Sounds, again, I get the fluttering. Smells, textures, feels like a fabric or a cloth, something thin that has surface tension. And I get hot. One 60504. Sounds, again, the flapping. Smells, temperatures would be warm. Smells and tastes. Okay, there might be some like vegetation, land, maybe even some water there. One 160504. Sounds. Okay, I hear like a zipping noise, almost like a zipper. Like something gets unzipped and then something gets released. Like that's the sound, like zip. Smells. Just a lot of blowing. Textures would be. I'm gonna AOL here, like a skydiver, you know, that kind of. Okay, so, you know, I'm getting this like, something with like, at times I see it like this, at times I see it like this. Land, airy. Yeah, I'm just seeing this thing that might be in the air. I'm not sure. I got like blowing, hiss. I got the zipper sound. Some land, maybe water there somewhere. But this thing, which might be a life, structure in life, it seems to be the main thing. So I'm just going to call this Air 1. I'm call this Air 1. I'm going to call this Air 2. Land 1. Land 1. Air 1, Air 2. I don't know what that is, so see what we get. So I'm just going to go right to it. Let's go Air 1. Air 1. Let's get a visual here. A-I-R-1. Air 1. I see this as like a this seems like a cloth or a fabric of some sort. Like a fabric or a cloth that has like the wind seems to be like pushing up against it. Like I see the resistance. There's some kind of resistance from the air, maybe. Sounds would be I get like a like air or something, you know, like if a sail catches the wind or a tarp catches the wind, you get that sound. Textures would be, yeah, like fluttering, waving, trailing. Feels man-made. And I get like air resistance. Okay. Like, reminds me of like a parachute. But I also get this idea of like like a catapult. Something that gets launched. What is it? Like a tarp type material, it feels, I don't know. The colors I get are like blue, kind of like a dark blue or violet. Yeah, weird. I don't know if I can get a better look at that. But yeah, that seems like, I don't know if it's falling or wind is just blowing from below it or something, but that's what I'm getting on that one. So let's reset or look at air 2. Air 2. This is a I don't know. Seems a little, I don't know if it's a sounds. I get like smells. Textures would be, there's some kind of like something there connecting. Temperatures, I get hot. Materials. Yeah, there's something that's like a fabric. It's kind of thin. Fabric, like maybe even semi-transparent. Like light would, if the light shone on this, it might show through a little bit. Semi-transparent. I get like float, glide, airborne, almost like pilot, like maybe it has to be piloted. Feels like a demonstration. Almost like a proof of concept. Like, proof of concept. Like, look, we can do this. Showing that it can be done. Some kind of structure. Yeah, that's what I'm getting there. Kind of like reminds me of like a hot air balloon, some kind of airborne structure. It's like a person somehow attached to something, and it's like, I don't know if he's steering this thing or floating around or what, but I get the idea of like cable car, a lift. I don't think it's a merry-go-round. You know, on the merry-go-rounds, you sit on it and you go flying around. I don't think that's what it is, but I get the idea of like airborne. It does feel like it's in control. Directed, or like, you know, almost like piloted. Yeah, that's what I'm getting there. What is it for? Yeah, I got like demonstration. Stop that there. Seems like a person attached to, holding on to, maybe strapped, somehow attached to something above, and it looked to me like they're in motion.